on this computer. All right. So let me clean this. I wish I could use, let me use a different chart. I don't want to mess up with my chart at all. Let me find this one. Yeah. XAUUSD. Let me use the one. Okay. So that's oil. Yeah. Okay. Same thing. Right. Now, look at the chart very, very carefully. Look at the chart. Okay. The best thing is we have an indicator. Let me start it this way. We have an indicator called the relative strength index. How do you find the relative strength index? I'm going to close it and open it again. You go to indicators. You go to either RSI or relative strength index. Relative strength index. Yeah? All right. So RSI, which is the relative strength, when you pick that up, normally if you see the default looks this way on this thing. This is the way the default looks. Okay. But we'll go and then reset it by taking out the yellow line. So the yellow line is this one, the RSI base MA. So you want the plain RSI. When you look at the RSI very carefully, let's make this into a line chart. If it is a line chart, you see the line chart is mimicking, this one is almost like mimicking the price action.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But there are times when we have something we call divergence. Divergence is when, if we have, look at the shape of this from here to here, for example. I'm coming. So from here to here, what is it showing? It's showing that it's an upward direction.
Yeah.
That same place from here to here, is it upward direction? Let me just mark it so you can see. From here to here, is it upward direction?
No.
No. Although it has the same shape, you can see that from here to here is upward direction. From here to here is what? Downward direction.
Yeah.
Imagine you were on the charts, right? And I'm going to cut the charts to explain it. Imagine you were on the chart and you've seen that, oh, though we have the same shape, from here to here is up, from here to here is down. We are saying that because this is an indicator which marks the relative strength of the market, and it's telling you that we are coming down. It means divergence means that when what the price action is doing, which means the price action direction is opposite to the indicator, it is called what? A divergence.
Oh, okay.
Which means they are doing two opposite things. Do you understand? So for example, from here to here, it's showing up. From here to here, it is showing down, which means that this would have to correct itself to come and follow this one. So the price action will have to correct itself to come and follow what? The indicator. Meaning that if you see something like this, it is only a matter of time, price will drop. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So with that one, you can use your other confluences.
Yes. So let me explain something to you. So when we come to it like that, this is the candlesticks in this case. When we come to it like that, the question then is, where are we? You see, if you look at this as pulling your Fibonacci from here, we can pull a fib from here to the top here. Where did we respect? We respected
0.6.
So where should we end?
61. Minus.
So we ended there and we went past it. You see? Well, when we got here, we were expecting that when we get here, we should be having a reversal. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But we went past it. So we realized that it's only a matter of time we will drop. We'll get the reversal. Because this one has diverged. Now listen, the market is oversold, so we are diverging down. This one is telling you that we're still going up, which means that this has to come and follow this. We have 61 here, and then we've broken. You see, we went up, so we have to come and retest. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So therefore, when you play the charts, it's only a matter of time you see the drop happening. Boom. Do you understand? So you could have traded this one, and you see it as small as this, but if we measure the pips, you realize that something there inside, 71 pips. Does it make sense? And
Yeah.
how would you have traded that? I'm giving you bits and pieces of the information so that when you are learning and going to the chart, it will be easy. We have something. This one was, we went up, we broke, but we retest very slightly. But because we had the divergence, when we started printing the bearish signs, when we break, you can just go and put your stop loss at top here. So for example, let me show you how this stop loss would look like. Yeah. You see, stop loss is about 31 pips, which to me makes sense. You enter the trade, and then you come and take your profit on the psychological. There's a psychological level here. Then you could come and take your profit on, boom, exactly as predicted. And it gives you about 72 pips. You know what I mean? So you're risking 1 to 2, which makes sense. Okay, so that is divergence. All right. But this is by the, so when you get to the divergence assignment, you would understand. If it gets to that place and I need to explain it again to you guys, I will do that. Okay. So in a nutshell, this is divergence. So let me force this thing, and then let me stop the recordings, and then we'll put it in as divergence.